Seja. So today I am going to show you my sweater collection and my jackets collection. I don't know why, I just felt like doing this random video. Winters are almost over now, so I thought I'll show you my most loved and worn pieces. Abhi bhi thodi si baki hai. So I am loving fashion these days and I'm experimenting a lot with my style and I'm having a lot of fun. So yeah, let's begin. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, comment, and let's begin. Okay, so the first one is this Vogue sweatshirt. This is a really cool sweatshirt. I got this from when I had gone to Japan and I got this from a random street shop. It's a very regular sweatshirt with Vogue Paris written on it and it's a light pink color and I have worn this so much. I've worn this bahar, I've worn this to sleep. It's very comfy and I like this a lot because it's very long and oversized. So it kind of looks like a dress and it also doesn't have pockets and a hoodie. It's not like super warm or anything, but fashion is pain, so uske upar ek aur jacket ya fir warmer pehenna padta hai. White sweater, this is an older one. Is pe koi tag bhi nahi hai, but I'm guessing it's from another street market or probably from Shein.com. These days I'm into sweaters or shirts or anything in clothes which you can wear with a lot of things. Earlier I was always into bright colors and just, you know, crazy patterns, but I would not use those pieces a lot. But this one you can use with so many things and I love this because it's cropped a little bit and it has a nice boxy fit. So that looks very cool with high-waisted jeans and it gives a really nice shape to your body. And also the sleeves are really long, so you can do this. Green, mint green, pista green sweater. This is a dry cleaning tag, guys, okay? I got this from H&M very long ago and this is a very good sweater. Like probably my best 2000 rupees that I've spent. Nice quality ka cable knit material. The color again goes with a lot of things, which is really good. I wish this was a little bit more cropped, but it's fine. Like another one of those cable knit kind of sweaters. This is a really pretty light pink color. This also has a turtleneck. Turtlenecks look really cute in my opinion, especially if you layer it on with a jacket and under, so if you're wearing a layer and it shows a little bit. And this one is also cropped. So I love cropped things because it just makes your body look really nicely shaped, and also if you wear high-waisted pants with it, it looks very nice. I think is also from Shein.com or H&M. Like this is just a black turtleneck with sleeves. This is the most worn thing because underneath any of these things I would wear a black turtleneck because having a nicely fitted one is really great. This doesn't nicely fit me at all. This is my mom's and मैंने बस चोरी कर लिया. This is from Zara. This is one of my favorite sweatshirts ever. This is from H&M. This is also slightly cropped and it has a cursive writing on it which says Femme Parisienne. I don't know what that means, but I like the cursive font. My tattoo is also the same cursive font and I really like it. Casual and it's sort of edgy and I really like that kind of style. This is my cat sweatshirt which I've had for so many years now. This I think is from Shein.com and it has a hood which has cat ears. It's the cutest thing ever and I've worn it so much now that it has makeup stains on it. Next up is my own Khali hoodie, which I have designed and I sent this as a gift to all my YouTuber friends, but this will be out on sale soon. I'm working on setting up a shop and everything, so you guys will be able to purchase it if you want. It's a really chill hoodie. It has a cute little print on it, which is the Khali little logo that I came up with, and it has a hood and pockets in the front because I know most people like that. It's a really nice white color and under se bhi it's really warm and it's lined. I've been wearing this as my night suit and just all the time. Okay, so since now I'm back at home, it's fun to chori other people's clothes and I've just been really into taking my mom's clothes and my dad's clothes, especially in the winter, because these days I'm loving this whole oversized blazers, oversized sweaters kind of trend. So I'm going to show you the stuff that I've been borrowing from them. Number one is this green sweater from Uniqlo. Uniqlo is my new discovery. They have such soft, really nice material, sweaters, jackets, pretty much everything. Kuch bhi nahi hai isme, just a v-neck, very basic sweater, but because it's so soft and comfy and it looks very good quality, it goes with a bunch of different things. Sweater that she has from H&M. It's a very basic, dark beige kind of color and this is great because I'm into these neutral colors these days. So this looks really good if you wear with beige color pants or just black pants, very soft and very good quality. So long sweater dress, patla sa hai. It's from Zara and it has a turtleneck and it's a dress. It ends above your knees, and I actually wore this on my birthday with a belt around my waist, which I thought looked really cool. And the last thing that I have borrowed from her is this kid shrug kind of thing. And I think this is really cool in a really nice color again that you can wear with a bunch of different things. And I like wearing it with this infinity scarf I have as a top, and I think it looks really cool as a tube top and uske upar a shrug. Obviously I do it indoors these days because bahar kitna hi jaate hain, and that whole trend with showing your shoulders off in a sweater is kind of in these days, but I didn't have a sweater like that, so I tried it with this and it actually looks really, really cool. Okay, oh wait, another thing that I like from her closet is these kind of button wale cardigans जिस पे pearl wale buttons होते हैं. This is so like nani type का style, but it's back in fashion and I love it. It looks really cool and vintage, and if you have your hair up in this kind of hairstyle with a choker or very, very, very fashionable. It's this sweater. This is my Nana's sweater. He has these half sweaters and उनके पास एक ये ही है and एक blue में भी है. So I've tried both and I like this one better. It's a little like weirdly sized for me, but it's okay. These are again really, really trendy. If you try it with an oversized shirt inside and you will really like the result. Okay, so that's for the sweaters. Now let me show you my jackets that I've been loving. First one is again this really soft jacket from Uniqlo. It's a white color one and it's so soft. It's like a dog. I love it. It's so comfy. थोड़ा मेरे को डर लगता है कि shit अगर ये गंदा हो जाएगा तो मैं इसे साफ कैसे करूँगी. But this is a long sleeveless jacket. It's a suede material in a really, really nice rose pink type color. So again goes with a bunch of different things and layered with that Vogue sweatshirt and pants that looks really, really cool and fashionable. What I've been wearing a lot are blazers. Discovered blazers recently and they just are the coolest, most badass piece of clothing ever. So I have this one from Zara. It's a fake leather blazer and it has some padding on the shoulders and it's oversized. Whenever I buy blazers, I always buy them in a size bigger so that it looks oversized and it kind of even works as a dress if you want to wear it with tights and heels. And this is so cool. I've worn it so many times already. I think this will even work in the summers as a dress if you don't layer it with anything else. Another blazer which I have worn a lot of times in videos already. The same exact style but in a cream color. This again will work for winters and summers both. So useful. 4,000 rupees, that's a lot of money spent well. So I'm going to wear this 1,000 million times till I get my 4,000 rupees worth back. Another thing that I got is also from Zara. It's a मैंने tag भी नहीं उतारा है, typical faux leather jacket, and this is also a dress. It has a belt, so will work for summers and winters too if you layer it. So this is really, really cool again. It's a puffer jacket and it's bright red. This is really cool. It's very soft, very comfortable, but honestly I really don't get what to wear this with. I wore it just once in this winter. Is this jacket. This is a YouTube jacket, like a varsity jacket style, sports jacket style. अंदर से fleece भी है इसमें and actually got from a YouTube event, which is really cool. Moving on to stuff that I choried from my dad's cupboard. This sweater that I'm wearing right now, it's a normal sweater for him, but मेरे लिए बहुत oversized है and I really like it. If I wear this with shorts and tights and sneakers, it looks so cool and sporty, and the zip detail is also, it's a little bit like vintage style and it looks really, really cool and I love this. Dad's blazers are the best. They are oversized, fashionable blazers. This is one. This is in a nice print. I don't know what this style of print is called. Brown, and again it's pretty similar to the ones that I bought. I realized I didn't have a big warm jacket and his jackets are again cool and oversized. This is from Woodland Active in XL. It's a really cool jacket. It looks very sporty and very edgy and cool. That was my sweaters and jackets collection. Hope you guys enjoyed it and it gave you some fashion inspiration. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below on what videos you'd like to see next. And I'll see you soon. Bye.
खाली खाली है बैठे